How to fix Discord stuck on gray screen problem in Windows 11. In this tutorial I will show you one method that will fix your problem. First open Start and type Run. Type %app data % and click on OK. Now delete Discord folder. If it was not deleted, then do the following steps. Open Task Manager and task the Discord running in background. Now delete the Discord folder. Now open Start and type Discord. Now log in your account. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.